Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 5 latest defense updates. Number 1, 5th Gen MCA's realistic time for induction. Dr. Samir V. Kaman, Secretary DDR&D and Chairman of the DRDO, recently announced a significant milestone in India's aviation capabilities. The country's ambitious 5th generation fighter jet program is expected to be ready for production by 2033 and 34, with induction into the Indian Air Force slated for 2035 onward. Next, testing of SAW V2 smart weapon. DRDO is planning further tests of the SAAW V2, an indigenous developed smart weapon. The SAAW V2 is a 120 kg class, a high precision weapon designed to engage ground targets at a range of up to 100 kilometers. According to a Ministry of Defense statement released in New Delhi, the weapon successfully underwent 2 different configurations based on satellite navigation and electro-optical sensors in 2021. Next, Tejas Mk1A offer likely rejected by Philippine Air Force. The Philippine Air Force is prioritizing the Saab Gripen E and American F-16V Viper in its selection process to acquire up to 12 new fighter jets. This comes with a total budget of 61.2 billion pesos, that is somewhere around $1.04 billion, allocated for the modernization program expected to run from 2023 to 27. Next, Vajra Air Defense System. Adani Defense in front seat. The Indian Ministry of Defense is gearing up to significantly strengthen the country's air defense capabilities with the acquisition of nearly 5,000 Vajra air defense systems developed indigenously by the DRDO. This system promises to be a game changer, offering several key advantages. The Vajra, which stands for Very Short Range Air Defense System, Visharaj, is designed to effectively neutralize a range of aerial threats including army aircraft, drone and helicopter. A significant advantage of the Vajra lies in its cost effectiveness. Being domestically produced, it offers a powerful defense solution without straining the budget. Next, HLFT 42. An update. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited unveiled its HLFT 42, that is Hindustan Lead-In Fighter Trainer, designed at Aero India 2023, generating a wave of mixed reactions. The single-engine aircraft, adorned with a symbolic image of Maruti, the Hindu god of wind, promises a blend of training capabilities and combat prowess. However, several aspects of the design raise questions about its overall strategy. Next, Tupolev Tu-22M3 bombers. In 2012, Russia proposed selling several long-range Tupolev Tu-22M3 bombers to India as part of a comprehensive military package that included the leasing of 2 Akula-class nuclear submarine and the acquisition of the aircraft carrier Admiral Gorshkov. Although the deal ultimately fell through due to financial considerations, the implications of such an acquisition by the Indian Navy would have been profound, particularly in the strategic context of Indian Ocean region. Thank you.